Ask Tom on Home Show.
Doug from West Columbia has a question about free solar.
Yes, Tom. He's seeing a lot of offers for what seems to be free solar power. Doug writes, there was a company that was pitching a system where they would hook me up for free nights from an electric company, and then solar would generate 70% of last year's usage, which would cover the rest of my needs. I've learned that I usually can't afford anything that's free. What are your thoughts on these offers, Tom?
Well, I've been getting a lot of calls on this, and I'm not going to bother any of these companies anymore. One is a big major power player here in Texas, and it says free nights, solar days. It just looks like everything is free. What their pitch is at night they give you free, but during the day, the power you buy from them is the highest priced solar power out there. So they pay a premium for it, so you're paying double for your power that you use during the day. And I don't care what anybody says, you can stay up all night long, and there might be one or two of you that have the night shift and this works, and you think you're going to do all the power at night and do nothing during the day. It just doesn't work that way. So, and you still pay all the delivery charges, all the delivery fees. There's nothing that's free. Now, I called another company that said free solar and your bills will be reduced to zero because of the free nights. What they do is they hook you up with a certain power company that does free nights. And of course, you have to buy the power from them during the day. But here's what and then they get to sell the power back to the power company. But here's the first thing they say is click here and see if you qualify and will you save. Now, when you call them, they ask you 3 or 4 questions like your address, your email. This is why I don't like to do it, because they started bombarding me with phone calls and emails. But I said, I'm just going to do it for my listeners and the people who want to know. And then here goes, and he said, here's the most important question. You have to have a rating for your credit rating of over 650 or we won't talk to you. In other words, you're going to be financing something right there. And you know right there, nothing financed is free. So I'm telling you right now, you can look at it any way you want, but if you let them get past just that and they start bombarding you with the sales talk, a lot of you out there are going to be fooled, and you're going to be given a line of stuff that is just not true. It's going to cost you. So you might have periods where it looked great, but in the long run, when those solar panels go bad, when you have to clean them, once a week you have to get on your roof and clean them if you want to get any real power out of them. It's a huge maintenance thing. It's a reoccurring maintenance as far as replacing panels that go bad. And you're still going to be financing this thing for 30 years. Don't do it. Power is still inexpensive. Wait until everything settles down. I still give it another 4 to 5 years before people can start doing it on their homes and actually doing it and getting results.
I love what you said there about the very fact that they had financing in the deal tells you.
And they wouldn't call you if you didn't have financing, because you were gonna finance it.
Right, and honestly, 650 is not a very high credit score, so it's like, you know.
I've been there. I know. Yeah, I'm higher now.
But, yeah, me too. But I'm just saying that I hate when deals appeal to people's greed, but that's how these people sell things, and so just buyer beware. Or better yet, homeowner beware. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on the Ask Tom button. That's where we get your questions. That's how we answer them. We want to help you too. So click on that. It'll take you to this page, and you can send us a video. You can send us pictures. You can send us whatever you want. Just fill out this form. Send us the goods, and we will answer your question, because Tom posts a new one of these, or we help Tom do that. He answers them. We post them at our Facebook page, the Home Show Radio YouTube channel, and of course, the place where there's always something new waiting for you. It's HomeShowRadio.com.